Now that we know how is the name property, we can also get other properties. If we click on, we say workbook dot, we have a list opened automatically, a drop-down list with a list of properties or a list of methods, and I will show you that later. The properties are values that can be set or get. So for example, as we have the name property like we showed you before, and we know what is property, or we can have also, we say worksheets. This is a property, and then say dot count, a property, and below another property. So I'm gonna see the worksheets property below the active workbook, and I say how many of these are count, because the worksheet is the next element in the hierarchy of an Excel file within an application, within an Excel application. In fact, we have the application, which is the tool, the workbook, which is the file, and the worksheet or worksheets that are the components or sheets within a file, because I showed you before that you can define one or more worksheets within a file, and these are included in the hierarchy. Worksheets count, and if I execute this, run 7, and exactly I have my 7 worksheet. If I say, for example, I want to know the name of the sheet number 7, then I'm going to my editor, I say worksheet, and in parentheses I say 7 dot name. I'm gonna execute this, sheet 7. As I said to you, this is a get information about the property, but I can also set. I can also do this copy equal to, in quotation marks, last sheet. Okay, I'm gonna execute this, save, sheet 7 is the name, and now I set it to last sheet, and I change the name. So I'm using the application object. Below the application object there is the workbook object, and below the workbook object there is the sheet or worksheet object with other objects or properties. So each object is assigned to properties or methods. I will show you the concept of properties and methods later, and also other objects that are its children.